Hey, it's Kira the Conflict Coach with a 2-minute conflict coaching soundbite. Today I'm talking about the number one most important strategy when you're dealing with a trigger, something that's acutely in your space. See, when you're triggered, your body is going to secrete stress hormones, and therefore you're going to kick into fight or flight mode. That's where you either want to aggressively defend yourself or withdraw and run away. But that's not necessarily what you should be doing. Instead, your best strategy is to slow down. Slow down your thinking, slow down your body. Because when you slow down, that's when you can start to think a little bit more clearly. You can start asking yourself strategic questions, like, who else can help me with this situation? Or, what's my best strategy? Should I face the person directly or should I work indirectly to handle this situation? Or you might question, when is the best opportunity to engage? But all of those questions are only going to be in your space when you slow down your thinking. Now, there's a lot of different ways that you can slow down, but what I most recommend is mindfulness practices. Mindfulness will help you be more engaged with your thoughts and think more clearly. It'll slow you down proactively so that you can then be on your game and work towards the best possible outcomes with your conflict. Well, what do you think? What would happen if the next time you're triggered, you take a moment and slow down your thoughts and processes rather than diving right in or running away? Think about it. I welcome your thoughts and comments. Please like and share this video, and I'll see you at the next 2-minute conflict coaching soundbite.